Welcome to Ezybook Training Module 3. In this module we'll look at the customer list. To get to the customer list you just click on Easy Admin and then the second tab, Customer List. So the customer list is the customer management part of Ezybook. This is where you can create new customers, edit and update details of existing customers, and find upcoming, past or cancelled bookings for existing customers. It's very easy to search for a client in the customer list. You can either search for a first name, a last name, or even part of a name. So here you can see all of these names included JON. When you see a tick beside a record, it means that they are a registered user and have made online bookings with you. And if you want to see the upcoming, past or cancelled bookings for an existing client, just click on Select. Their name gets highlighted in grey, and now on the right hand side you can see the upcoming, past or cancelled bookings for that client. Also, you'll notice Select and Pop-up. So Select selects the record, Pop-up enables you to access that client record in more detail. So if you click on Pop-up, the booking pop-up appears, and from here you can actually edit and update the client record. So if you wanted to update their phone number's changed, you just come in here and save that change. When you enter a client into Ezybook, it's important you try and get the email address for that client. And there's several reasons for that. Firstly, they'll get an email confirmation. Secondly, they'll get an email reminder 24 hours before their appointment. And thirdly, as if they end up registering on Ezybook themselves after you've made a booking, Ezybook will automatically merge the records and enable them to see bookings you've already done on their behalf. But below is an example of someone having been created and then their client goes online and makes a booking with them, so they've ended up with duplicate records. Merging records in Ezybook is very simple to do. All you do is click on Select beside the record you'd like to keep. A message appears here on the right hand side saying duplicate customers. Would you like to merge these records? And you just click on Merge Customers and that merges the client record. Just one thing to be aware of is before you do that, you should look at the pop-up for each client and just make sure there are no client notes there, because if there are client notes in the record that is not selected, those notes may be deleted. So what you would do is copy and paste those notes into the other record, then select beside the one you want to keep and merge the records. The other little pointer is that if you were merging two records and one is registered and the other isn't, the registered record always takes precedent, because we assume that someone who has entered their own details know their own details best. So that's about it for the customer list. In the next module we'll look at the booking calendar. Thanks a lot.